Ebusia enele hey, caught red-handed and I made a bro. Nigeria ni abranti FFF bi. Igbo fuyo. And I say wakochi bodeni bi ena owi bodeni ni pekus. Owi pekus no. Say allegedly so the koye money ritual so whatever it is so ebusia. Anyway, any other videos it will blow your mind. And I made it, bro. But more than I said, subscribe it. Now I share. Why? You go ahead. Busia, come with me again. Oh, come with me again. I always say that when you meet me here, just as something is happening. I have funny video, right? And I want to share with you guys. A Nigerian man arrested doing hemle with Abodani. A mad woman in a bush. Ebusia unto ministry. Wemu. Missy Wemu dear. They don't sorry no so. You go catch somebody way or abodeni, then you go they enjoy the person. Oh Charlie, Ihado. Guys, if you see the video, the guy self, he be some fine guy bio. Now where this one happen? He happy for we state, Oga. They say Imo State, okay? They say Imo State. Now, I'll share that video with you guys, and then after that, we'll see. The next video I want to share with you, another Nigerian, Ebusia, another Nigerian. Oh baby, minima de corner bana yet. Eno makochi obano omwa buobana ma chale it no be easy. The woman in face even if the woman still you forbid them, they beat the woman poto chale chale yourself you go ball, but they do it be so then day. So that one also I will share to you guys, and then after that we'll come and wrap up. We'll talk about one or two things also. Ebusia, the third video. Eye Nigeria nibi ena onunsu ewo Imo State. Wadani no an robber. Amanfo aniama no wia. Now I want to show this video to all of you out there. Be careful. Who see dying? Now who a friend is saying, your friend is saying trap door window no. Do it well, because these people have the strategy of breaking into it. And if I show you how they break into someone's house, you go laugh. You know go feel laugh finish. Okay? You go laugh. You know go feel laugh finish. Or the fourth one I want to show with you, no. Ghana ni police ni. Tieme. Ghana ni police officer. Ena nuankasa kochi ni ba or si ni ba no bokro no. Where can this happen? Only in Ghana. A police officer will arrest his own son for chrono and criminal activities. Yano for ankoni o chino ni bana kowiaba any omu enjoy. Now I will show to you guys all this video. After that I'll come and sum up and talk about them later. Okay, so let's go and watch all those videos. We'll be right back.
So now ToTo na the fourth West Side farm here, be. Eh? Who are you done? Hello? Oh, come here, come this side. Show your face. So now, mad woman, come the fourth West Side bush here. Shut up! Not time to say no, bros. Be quiet. So now, so you come the fuck here, be? Huh? Why they say man, not they talk like that? Huh? You don't buy job, oh. Come dress. No need. Dress. You don't buy job. You just fuck up, so. Me guys will find rich now. ToTo mad man, they fuck. Dress back, not don't yam you. Go back. Huh? Go back. Mad woman, I dey fuck for side bush, side farm. Mad woman. Huh? No, if you run, I go let you. I go shoot you. No case. Go this side, please. How far? Go this side. Go nyara. Near that woman. Nyara. Get up. See this guy, man. Come this side. Enter.
Dog, if you couldn't say, well,
Dog, they go walk now.
Enter.
Take you as a sibai.
Yes,
No,
no being the enter.
Yeah, where's Bonyo?
The enter, here, Bobadanga.
Confirm.
With all the carefulness.
Confirm.
Ah.
Mepo, isi ga-apago.
Careful now, Bagona. Deep banana, banana.
Because somebody told me this yesterday. Now, what they think? Come on, no, ebe na date. Which means no, I'll go up in the kitchen.
Where put the key?
Which means like a kitchen, no, me kware. Here go say your things in back kitchen. I'm sure you did this as well.
Lepota. Huh? Hey, lo chagol.
Come out.
Chere, olo chagol ya na correct as.
You show you got that, say, Baba.
Alright.
Danga.
Never waiting come put you for this kind.
Mba bu kan ta ko jiro. Onye are ezigbo onye oshi.
Yes, and everything.
Yeah, a criminal.
Oh yeah. Set and back.
Set and
I'm back.
Hey, you sabi.
Can you imagine? Yamadi no nwere ihe mere. Can you imagine?
You sabi.
And the key leading to that door, the key leading to that door,
Oh, then you
Then catch you. Then I'm catch you. Say me pack on for.
yes,
Your full name?
yes, blessing,
Blessing what?
blessing down
From where?
I'm from Bokalada,
Babalada, yeah. You are indigenous of what? Where are you?
Which tribe are you?
but my dad is from Kaduna.
Which tribe are you?
I'm Bagi.
Bagi.
Yes, but my mom is from Yola.
Yola.
So we speak Hausa, yes, but we are born and brought up here.
In Gwagwalada?
Yes.
So your dad is from
So me
Kaduna,
now,
and your mom is from Yola.
yes, so me now, I call Margaret. I went to down, Lube, and there I did services. So, the Saturday, yes.
Which kind services you do?
I they say women shoe.
Men wears.
Yeah, woman wear. So this woman, Aisha, she's my friend.
Aisha, where she is now?
She said she's staying here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Aisha, what tribe is she?
Baggy.
She's Bagi.
Yes.
Aisha, being Aisha. In the area, which side?
She said, no, I didn't even that. You know when I did explain, the woman even met me when I was on it.
You have a no. Where you from?
The phone is with them. Yes, the small one. It's she, what happened was when I reached.
What bring you to Jiri?
She's the one that called.
So that you should come and do.
Yes. She called me 4 days ago. She said she wanted to come home. She wanted to buy things, but problem there. She and the husband are having issues.
Now I believe that you guys saw all the videos. First of all, Nigerian farm boy from Imo State, we go chop a mad woman. Abba. So they are shower plenty way there your country. You know if you chop some. Now mad woman you won't chop. Now cases you don't want bring for your top. In a mad woman you won't chop. Abba. Kudos to the guy where they go arrest this man because Sale, if they fit chop Abodeni, then you self because what they attract you about the Abodan person they go fuck. If you know be spiritually or it be cursed or you know be money ritual where they take the thing go do, I'm sure say it be money ritual. I'm very sure that guy it be money ritual where he won't take the lady go do. I'm very very sure. Say it will money ritual it won't take the guy go do before the woman go do. That be why it go chop obi awa bodam. Afensu the people where them beat the other woman for the same. They say the woman say come out from Kanu. In papa, in mommy be Kanu, but in mommy be some for KJT or say whatever it is. And also I was our area muha. Oh, Ebusia, Ebado. They beat the girl. It no be easy, but what we for do? We just for talk about these things. We they talk about these things because we don't want Nigerians to change. Hear me? We don't want Nigerians to change. If I no chop or any, if you find woman where go thief, if I no beat him, if I no beat the woman like that, why if I beat him? Why for beat the woman like that? It's not good. Why for do so? Then the last one I want to talk about, no. Ghana ni police na we to me a chine ba no. Why ya dear police officer? What should I say? You are a Ghanaian ampa because say Nigerian yan kaubua. Hey, you go left that thing, go happy in the MPK, go enjoy. Where they go, they steal the thing, go chop every time. Ebusia, it is very, very bad. But you know, we are here to entertain you guys. We are here to give you guys exposés. We are here to give messages to people. I have message that I want to send to government. Another message to Gamanche. And another message to a couple of people. I have questions. And if you join me here, remember, gradually, we will digest everything. I have questions to ask certain people in Ghana. Journalists be on my year day Ghana pa. I will ask them questions about all that is going on in Ghana. And I'll put that questions to them because I want them to respond to it. Ebusia. Thank you guys very much for being part of this page. But Modian said they be your comments. Your comments are very important to me. Number one, what do you think about Nigeria Nina Okodi a friend is saying, Mami na wa bodam no. Because for me, I think say for rituals and okoyesa. I think say rituals and okoyesa. Number two, what do you think about the same Nigeria if you know mwako buobano? Meni ma de kro ba na akowia. But the wo mo buobano. Woman no ti wono kasa no. Ahomiti. What is your take on that particular video also? Number three, Ghana police nina ne bano eko ya wache ne bano. And also, what you was saying. Let me know what you think about all these videos that I'm sharing with you. That's ene yebe share pia yeko.